Hello, my name is Diana Victoria Gidu and I am Associate Professor in this university from Constanța, Romania, Faculty of Physical Education and Sport. I'm very happy to participate in the scientific session organized by your university and to meet other researchers in our field. My areas of interest are beside physical education, football and sport psychology. I work as an athlete at the football club CFR Selena Constanța in the first league in Romania for 20 years and as a coach at Selena Constanța for 12 years and for 4 years I was assistant coach of the nation team, female nation teams under 18 and under 19. Now I managed to combine these two passions, teaching sport psychology to our students who choose to become coaches. Thank you very much for the invitation to participate in your conference, and I'm convinced that it will be a unique experience. See you in February.